Per Inside EVs, General Motors and Hyundai may collaborate on a new electric pickup truck. The potential partnership stems from a memorandum of understanding signed in September 2023. This agreement focuses on joint product development, manufacturing, and clean energy technologies. Hyundai's executive chairman Euisun Chung and GM CEO Barra reportedly met this month to discuss details. The project is still in early stages and remains unconfirmed by either automaker. Sources suggest the truck may be badge engineered, meaning it could carry branding from either company. The vehicle is reportedly being designed for the Latin American market. It could replace models like the Chevy D-Max or S10 Max, which are currently rebadged versions of the Isuzu D-Max and Maxus T70. U.S. availability is not planned at this time. If successful, the partnership could combine GM's truck expertise with Hyundai's manufacturing efficiency. However, past collaborations, such as GM's EV venture with Honda, highlight the challenges of such alliances. You are listening to Euisun News.